Hello everyone, welcome to the Common Cantonese Words Every Beginner Must Know series. And in this lesson, I'm going to go over the Cantonese words that are associated with the Chinese characters not, not have, and not yet. Now, if you wish to study these words that I'm going to teach you in flashcards or quiz format in this video, please check out our study app with which the Android link is going to be found in the video description below. The first Chinese character that I want to talk about is the Chinese character that has the meaning of not. And in Cantonese, it is pronounced And this Chinese character is associated with a lot of things, especially the things that in which we're not doing. So let's go over all of these. So if we want to say need not or unnecessary, we would say sai. Sai. If we want to say am not or not be, then we would say hai. Hai. So for example, if I say I am not, then in Cantonese it would be 我唔係 我唔係. Now if I want to say an expression of are you kidding, then you would say 唔係啊 唔係啊, or you could say 唔係啊嘛 唔係啊嘛. If you want to say prohibited, then you would say 唔準 唔準. So, for example, if I want to say prohibited from smoking, then I would say 唔準吸煙唔準吸煙, where 吸煙 means smoking. Now, if you would say unable to, then you could say 唔到 So for example, if I want to say unable to do, then I would say 做唔到 做唔到. If I want to say cannot in Cantonese, then I would say 唔可以唔可以. If I want to say different, then I would say 唔同唔同. If I want to say incorrect or not proper in Cantonese, then it would be 唔啱唔啱. So if I want to say that you are not correct or you're not proper in terms of your behavior, or that you're wrong in a question, then I could say 你唔啱你唔啱. Now, if I want to say not often or not very, then I could say 唔多唔多. And if I wanted to say not good or don't in Cantonese, then I would say 唔好唔好. If I wanted to say excuse me in Cantonese, then it would be 唔好意思唔好意思, or 唔好意思唔好意思. Both works. If I want to say cannot in Cantonese, then I would say 唔得唔得. If I want to say busy or not free in Cantonese, then it would be 唔得閒唔得閒. If I wanted to say it's not okay in Cantonese, then it would be 唔掂唔掂. Ignorant of or not understand in Cantonese, it would be 唔明唔明. So for example, if you want to say I don't understand in Cantonese, then you would say 我唔明我唔明. Would not in Cantonese is 唔會 唔會. To ignore or to not pay attention to is 唔理. Do not allow in Cantonese is 唔俾. Do not know or not sure in Cantonese is 唔知. Now, if you want to say do not know in Cantonese, also can be 唔知道. And the meaning between 唔知 and 唔知道 is the same. And lastly, for this Chinese character, for not consider as, in Cantonese, we say 唔算. Now, if you wish to review these words in the Android app, please look at the flashcard set named Words with Not. So additionally, there are more words that are associated with the words with not as well. And so, for example, not critical or never mind in Cantonese is 唔緊要. Lost or unable to find or missing is 唔見咗. To forget or not remember is 唔記得. Thank you in Cantonese is 唔該. Could it be in Cantonese would be 唔通. So for example, could it be that I am wrong in Cantonese would be 唔通我錯. Or 唔通係我錯 would be the same thing, where could it be I'm wrong? Correct or not bad actually is more associated with not bad in Cantonese. It is 唔錯. Dislike in Cantonese is 唔鍾意. And unnecessary in Cantonese is 唔需要. So the second Chinese character that I want to talk about is not to have. And in Cantonese, it is pronounced mo or mo. So in this case, not very or not so is in Cantonese is mo mat. Impossible is 冇可能. Sure or no problem in Cantonese is 冇問題. Don't care in Cantonese is 冇所謂. Useless in Cantonese is 冇用. Now, there's another Chinese character that actually pronounced very similarly, albeit a lower tonation. And it is actually written differently, though they mean the same thing. So this one pronounced mo. And it's the same, which is not to have in Cantonese. So, and it actually, in combination of other Chinese characters, actually produces other types of words. So for example, can't in Cantonese is 無可. To have no alternative in Cantonese is 無奈. For no reason at all in Cantonese, or for no reason pointlessly, then it will be 無端端. Pointless or very boring in Cantonese, it is 無聊. No matter what or how, regardless of weather in Cantonese, it is mo lon, mo lon. Useless or pointless in Cantonese, it is mo wai, mo wai. Now, if you wish to review these words in the Android app, please look at the flashcard set named words with not to have. And the last Chinese character that I want to talk about is the Chinese character that means not yet. And in Cantonese, it is pronounced may, may, or may, may. And of course, if it's associated with other Chinese characters, it would actually produces other words with different meanings. So for example, future in Cantonese, it is mei loi, mei loi. Unmarried in Cantonese, it is mei fan, mei fan. Not necessary, or maybe not in Cantonese, it is mei beat, mei beat. There never was in Cantonese, it is mei yao, mei yao. Unknown in Cantonese is mei ji, mei ji. Now, if you wish to review these words in the Android app, please look at the flashcard set named words with not yet. Now, if you like the content and you like the knowledge that you learn, please like and subscribe to our channel. As well as, if you have not done so already, I recommend you to download our Cantonese learning app, in which the link is in the description below. So this app contains the flashcard decks, as well as the quizzes of the words that you have learned in this lesson, as well as the other lessons that I have offered in my channel. Also, if you have any other learning questions, or want to connect with other people who are learning Cantonese the same as you, please join our community Discord channel, in which I will be there, as well as other learners will be there to answer your questions, as well as to mingle. And of course, the Discord channel link is in the description below as well. Now, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next lesson.